Hello, this is Stephanie and Terry West. Today we're going to demonstrate our new slicing jig for slicing whole ribeyes. You're going to start by trimming off the first steak just so you've got a nice clean edge. And then from this cut on, every steak is going to be a uniform thickness of 1 3/16 of an inch. That's an ideal thickness for grilling, whether it's a ribeye steak or if you're doing a filet, boneless pork chops, even Texas toast. And it's fully compliant with the Steak Cook-Off Association requirements for competition. We've made this out of a heavy gauge stainless steel, and you've also got a hard rock maple cutting board. Beautiful thickness on those steaks. Every steak is the same thickness. One of the things that we found is if you can remove the variation of steak thickness in each time that you're cooking, have a steak of the uniform size, you're going to become a much better cook. And whether you're just cooking for friends and family or you're competing on the steak circuit, that's going to be really key. The other factor for using this jig is, quite frankly, you just save a lot of money. On average, you'll save $3 to $4 per pound on if you buy the whole ribeye versus the individual steaks. So not only do you have the benefit of a more consistent thickness, but you're also saving a lot of money. The steak that we've got here, this ribeye, was an 18-pound whole ribeye, and that's pretty typical for what you'll find whether it's at Costco or Restaurant Depot or any place else. Is it's typically 16 to 20 pounds. So it's quite a savings for each time that you're creating those steaks. Then we would suggest that you use at least a 12-inch slicer. You could also go with 14 without any problem. We're using a 12-inch, what's called a 12-inch ham slicer for this demonstration. And this is one of our favorite knives, Gunter Wilhelm Executive Chef Series. Just absolutely beautiful knives. The steel is forged in Germany, and really a high quality knife. We didn't do anything to prepare this whole ribeye. This literally just came out of the cryo. Of course, when you're slicing it, you don't want the meat to be frozen, but you do want it to be nice and cold. And in no time at all, you've got those beautiful steaks to season up and put on the grill. You can find this on our website, 270smokers.com. Just look under the Cook's Tools tab, and you'll find this jig, several other new jigs that we're rolling out this month. And then, of course, also our favorite seasonings, the Two Gringos Chupacabra Brisket Magic in particular, and their steak seasoning is just a great complement for these nice ribeyes.